I don't know about you, but every time I turn on HGTV, I can't help but seeing people like Tariq and Christina and Chip and Joanna, and they're fixing really cool properties and they're flipping them all over the country and they're making a bunch of money and they make it look so easy. And I can't help but think, should I be doing that too? Is that something I can do? Hi, I'm Chris Mygatt, and it's my pleasure to host the monthly Wealth Builder Expo series. So coming up on the October 15th session, we've got Mark Ferguson. Mark Ferguson is a national personality and expert in the world of fix and flip, real fix and flip. In fact, he's doing right now 15 different projects in his marketplace. We're gonna learn what he looks for, we're gonna learn his ideas of what you shouldn't do and what you should do. So again, I look forward to seeing you on October the 15th at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. And for all the details, just check out wealthbuilderexpo.com. You'll get all the information right there. And remember that a big part of our Wealth Builder Expo series is our commitment to helping each one of you live a more exceptional life. And we do that by providing you with real strategies to help you grow and protect your financial future, something we're so proud of here at Coldwell Banker. So again, get all the details at wealthbuilderexpo.com, and I look so forward to seeing you on October the 15th, 2 p.m. Eastern Time, to learn all about the fix and flip business.